not celebrate, life of the party. Look at, that says celebrate. You can celebrate with life of the party. How about that? Life of the party. Yeah, you can tell I'm still running on fumes. Still running on fumes. That's what happens when I'm traveling so much. Then when I get home, there's so much to do before I head out again. All right, life of the party. So I loved this collection. This one reminded me a little bit of Kid at Heart. You guys remember Kid at Heart? Kid at Heart I used quite a bit during the pandemic because it was just such a good, fun, feel-good collection. So this one reminds me a little bit of Kid at Heart. Definitely kind of has a celebratory or party theme to it, but there's so much stuff in here that is super generic and works for tons of different things. That's why I brought it in. So let's take a look at the paper pad first. There are 36 sheets. There are 2 sheets each of 18 different designs, and these are single-sided, all right? Single-sided. There are your little cut apart 3x4 cards. So these are great for making your little cards. So it's a good day for a good day, although that's a very generic one. Another day, another celebration. Congrats, friend, time to party. So this particular pad has gold foil accents in it. So you can see, you can kind of see on that one, it's a good day for a good day. You can kind of see that gold foil. All right, let's keep going. I haven't opened this yet. Oh, gold foil, that is beautiful. Kind of the gold flowers and the cream background. So that's super neutral. That is darling with the balloons. That can be used for anything. The smiley faces, of course, can be used for anything. The floral, right? Look at, now that's a little bit more party driven, right? Little party hats. There's another 3x4 cards. Cute, happy for you, you amaze me, celebrate. Oh, those are tags, not cards. That's a great neutral stripe, rainbow stripe. Ooh, that's a fun one, isn't it? Kind of the, it can be, you choose what is being poured there. It could be your champagne, it could be your sparkling cider, whatever it is, but that's kind of a really fun work for New Year's or any kind of celebration. Great neutral again. It's time to celebrate, yay you, congratulations, party time. Another neutral. That one, anytime I see a pink dot like that, it reminds me of my why did I say Grammy? That was weird. It reminds me of my Baby Alive doll, right? Was it the Baby Alive doll that had a little outfit like that? Okay, hold on. I'm missing something. Terry, you're leaving. You've got work to do for your jewelry. Oh, I know, because your mom. I'm so sorry again. Oh, Pamela, you too. Oh my gosh, Pamela, you've had a rough year. Oh, okay. Little 2x2 cards, Terry. We'll see you next Saturday. Well, no, because I'll be gone the next 2 Saturdays. So we'll see you in November sometime. That's a great neutral grid. That reminds me of Disneyland, totally, doesn't it? With the little fireworks. And then your patterns start. Oh, not quite yet. There's another 3x4 card. You're seeing it as I see it, right? A good floral. And there we repeat. Baby Alive, yes. Carmen, she was a hungry doll, right? You had a little, you could feed her with the little bottle, and I loved Baby Alive. Drowsy. No, maybe it was Drowsy. I don't know. I did it. She's in one of my lists. Actually, you want to, is it here? Oh no, I took it out. Never mind. Don't mind me. My mind's just going a totally different direction for a minute. I was looking for the idea book because then I could show you because she's in one of my lists, but that's okay. All right. Next up, we have the 6x12 stickers. So 2 6x12 sticker sheets. Okay, look at these. That little cat with the balloon, cutest thing ever. This little dog blowing the little horn. Super neutral. Cute cake. I love how these instruments have flowers coming out of them. Look at that dog with the party hat, the heart, congrats friend. So definitely has a party theme to it, but can be used for lots of different things as well. Those are the 6x12 stickers. Those also have gold foil accents. All right, there, let's look at the puffy stickers. Puffy stickers. These are so cute. They've got a little bit of a glossy finish. So these don't have a matte finish. They have a glossy finish, but you have those little tiny sizes. Sometimes we need much smaller sizes in our stickers, and the puffy stickers are great for that. Look at that disco ball. I love that. That's so fun. All right, those are the puppies. Then we have 2 different packages of die cuts. Let me grab a tray here. Every time I pull out these trays, someone asks where the trays are from. These are lids to IKEA bins. They are lids to that bin at IKEA. So I've used the bins for something else, but the lids are great for a tray. All right, let's take a look at the ephemera. So these would be the icons. A little bit more, backwards. A little bit more icon oriented. All of these in the top are little vellum pieces. So there are 75 die cuts in this pack, but look at all those great vellum pieces. Aren't those so fun? Like, look at that little guy. They have gold foil accents on them as well. And then the bottom of the pack, your regular old plain Jane die cuts. There are a lot of die cuts in here. Actually, these also have some gold foil accents. That's normally American Crafts does 40 if they have gold foil accents or 50 if they don't. So there's a ton in this pack with, what did I say? 75. But look at how cute. Look at this poodle. Like, and you don't have to have a dog or have a dog lover or even be a poodle lover. That would be so cute on a list or on a project or a card. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at a cute little frog. Anyhow, tons and tons and tons of die cuts in there. And again, this is Life of the Party. Look at how cute, that little horn blowing the flowers. Oh, that makes you want it. That looks like total New Year's, isn't it? All right, anyhow, so many. Look at that little dog prancing along. Loads and loads and loads. Pink glasses. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, anyhow, there are lots of die cuts in there. So you can see those a little bit more detail on the website. Oh my gosh, look at the owl, darling. And then the pineapple with the sunglasses. So just fun. Fun, celebratory collection, but also works for lots of everyday things as well. All right, so those are the regular die cuts. These are going to be the journal die cuts or the journal ephemera. So these guys always, they're different in that they leave us lots more room for writing, or they have frames and tags. So that'll give you a feel of the different frames and tags. Also with the gold, oh my goodness, this little guy I can't get enough of. There he is again on the, but he's on a little vellum tag. So tons of pieces here as well, 66. Those are sure cute, aren't they? Look at all those little banners with that nice color blocking up at the top. Oh, look, we have more of those. There's lots of those. All right, those are just the ones from the top of the pack. So usually of your smaller ones, those are gold foil photo corners. And then we have these larger ones at the bottom of the pack. So again, if you go click on what's new in the link of the description box or go to layallbymail.com and you'll see all of these. And then you can see, basically you'll be able to see that. You'll be able to see that image so you can see everything up close. That's included in that pack. But look at these larger frames. I mean, that's a good size, right? I bet that inside is about a 3x5, I want to say. 3x4 maybe? Good size in all those frames. Lots and lots and lots of pieces. Hip, hip, hooray. Cute, cute. All right. So those are the, journal ephemera. So we have the regular ephemera and the journal ephemera, or the icon ephemera and the journal ephemera. Okay, so that's the ephemera. Let's take a look next at the enamel dots. I love these. So this enamel dot pack has 60 enamel dots. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 shapes. I'm looking, I think 6 shapes and 5 different colors. So a couple of different circle sizes, kind of a medium and a large. You have the heart. All of these, if you can see, kind of have a little bit of a, it's inside of the enamel. So it's not raised, but you can kind of see, I think, a little bit of a like glitter looking inside of there. It's a little shimmery. But you have the stars in 2 different sizes. You have kind of the little diamonds, and in those 5 colors. And that color is gold. It may be a little bit hard to see on camera, but that one is gold. So those are the enamel dots or enamel stickers. I guess they're not dots, they're enamel stickers, different shapes. All right, last but not least in the Life of the Party collection is the washi. So let's do another quick little swatching of that. And then we will move on to the last collection that I will show you. Alrighty. If you, as you're seeing new product come out, as you're seeing new product released, whether you're following manufacturer on social media or looking at their website, or you see somebody else, you know, like a designer or something showing on social media, and you're wondering, hey, I wonder if Lael's going to bring that collection in. If you go to the website and click on coming soon, I have listed what collections are coming, and it's usually a month-ish out. It just depends on if I am aware or if I have ordered yet. So you'll see on there, like Vicky's new Discover and Create is coming. I've had that on orders right after it was released. A couple of more new American Crafts coming. All 3 of the new Simple Stories coming. Oh, the one that hopefully comes next week is the Pretty Little Studio. I think it's called Comfort and Joy. So it is a holiday collection, as in like Christmas holiday, but it's a very non-traditional color palette, kind of very woodsy. It's beautiful. There's some beautiful pieces in that. So that is coming. Oh my gosh, it's been like my credit card has been like cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. Constantly with ordering all this product. There's so much fun stuff coming out. Oh, and then I can't remember if I said or not, the 3 new Simple Stories, which would be, oh, Noteworthy. I think it's called Noteworthy. That's a yummy one. Winter Wonder is another great one. And then they have a Valentine's line, or kind of a love theme line as well. So lots of new stuff coming out this time of year. I am working very avidly, I guess, on the 2024 Year in Review Project Kit. So I get lots of questions about when that one is coming out. That one will come out in December and will ship in January, and then the class will happen at the beginning of February. So in class, we will document our January. But that is coming. That is coming. Okay. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I didn't do this one. I'll bring these up to the camera and I will show you. Pamela said, oh, there we go. Simple Stories Love Story. It is beautiful. Yes. It is beautiful. Paula said, I want the Vicky stuff. Yeah, she's got some awesome new stuff coming out. Hey, my international friends, especially Canadians, something changed on my website recently. I'm not sure if you noticed or not, but it now shows you the prices in your own currency. So first of all, don't be afraid. If you see it in your currency and you're thinking it's US, oh my gosh, that'd be scary. But yes, anywhere international now, it shows you pricing in your own currency. So that's kind of nice. All right, here we go. There are the 8 washi that are part of Life is a Party. Very fun, beautiful, bright, vibrant colors. I love the smiley faces. That rainbow stripe is super good. The Hooray is gold foil. Yeah, so that is the washi that is part of Life is a Party.